Okay, puppies are coming up to go outside to play. There's puppy number 1. And there he goes. Okay. He's waiting for the brothers and sisters. Oh. He's gonna go back and get the rest of them. Okay, here they all come again.
I know, I want to jump over. Come on, babies. Oh my goodness. There's so many of them.
You got the little Pied Piper here.
I know. I'm the best person ever because I feed you and give you water. You guys can go play.
Look at how they just totally fell.
There's something on his tail. Oh. Give you back like this.
I've still got it on. And they all disperse.
Come on, you guys. Want some water?
Oh, I gotta change my clothes.
Oh, yeah. You can turn it off.